The Culinary Institute of America at Copia, in collaboration with Butter of Europe, is pleased to bring you Baking and Pastry Excellence, a free online educational series featuring the best in world baking and pastry. Today, we'll visit the Michelin 3-star Atelier Crenn in San Francisco. Pastry Chef Juan Contreras shows us the secrets in making his Hazelnut Dragees, where creamy French butter is combined with rich cocoa powder. Chef Contreras explains his process.
My name is Juan Contreras. I'm the pastry chef at Atelier Crenn in San Francisco. Today we made Hazelnut Dragees. We took caramelized sugar that we cooked basically to around 185 Celsius, let it set on a sill pad until it becomes hardened and brittle. We took our roasted hazelnuts from Oregon, a little bit of sea salt from the north of France, Tahitian vanilla beans. We took all that and put it into a food processor and grinded it up into a beautiful praline nut paste and finished it off with some butter. So I use Butter of Europe in this recipe. The fat content is a superior fat content on it. This is like an 85% fat content on this butter. It enhances the praline to a little bit more luxurious velvet mouthfeel. So the panning machine is a confectionery, chocolate piece of equipment used to make all your typical dragees, bonbons like M&M's, Skittles, anything that you might know in the commercial world, jelly beans. Turn on the machine, cooling down the drum. So the hazelnuts are in the panning machine, in the drum. We ladle very slowly some praline and allow it to crystallize on the nuts. Once that sets more or less, we ladle a little bit of chocolate on top to help stabilize the crystallization. And you kind of continue to do this process back and forth of hazelnut praline and chocolate until you achieve the results that you want. The amount of thickness and obviously most important, the flavor. We finish them off with a little bit of a caramelized white chocolate, gives it kind of that golden hue. We were looking for a marbled stone-like type of characteristic. I always describe this bite as like the French version of an M&M. For French people, hazelnuts is like the dominant nut, and I think in America it's like we love peanuts here, but it encapsulates that beautiful nuttiness of a beautifully roasted hazelnut, and I like to do a really dark, deep roast. It's just a very luxurious bite.
Watch more baking and pastry videos at ciaprochef.com/butter.